Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable and use gesture navigation on Vivo V50 Lite 5G. If you're using Vivo V50 Lite 5G and now you want to enable or use gesture navigation in your phone, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to enable simple settings. So open your settings app and here just scroll down and look for system management. Select it. From here you just have to look for system navigation and then you'll get the gesture navigation option. Just tap on it and it will be enabled. In this way you can easily enable your gesture navigation. Now let's see how can we use it. You just have to pull from right or left edges to go back, just like this. And if you want to go to your home scene, so you just have to just pull the bar up, just pull it up to open your home screen. If you want to see your recent apps, so let's see how can you check this. You just have to pull it up and hold to see your recent apps. So that's how you can easily enable and use gesture navigation into your Vivo V50 Lite 5G phone. Thank you very much for watching the video, and in the next video, bye bye.